Yeah, this that getting money music. If you getting money, hold your bankroll up, get jiggy to it. Pop up back the cut and hit that Draco to that fucker click. Bitch, it turn me off, it turn me on, I hear my cutter split. I been on some other shit, drop back. I heard art hoes like the drop dots. Lil' hoe on some art shit, I'ma get that thigh pop. Rap niggas got undercover pressure, but ain't saying nothing. Told her twin, he see some crazy, shoot it to his hand on. I done turn my mans on. If you ever see them 100,000 niggas stand on.
Right now we are going to a car meet. Let me know if y'all fuck with the car meets in the videos. I catch y'all when we get there. If I see anybody on the road, you know what I'm saying, I'm a picture. Made to the meet. 370 with the turbo out the hood. Very nice, very nice. What's that, TEs? Like that orange. This orange nice. He got the same wheels I got. This orange sweet. This orange sweet. This orange sweet. Bro got the RC car. Look at bro right here. He got on the tie. He got the upgraded brakes. He looking crazy. This one nice. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I fuck with the setup, I'm not gonna lie. SRT boys. What are those, 21s? You don't see these all the time. I bet you this joint straight pipe. I like the wrap. Damn, that's no loud. Nice little M4 right here with the lights. Showing nice. Is that a cat? He got the badges and the light. Hell Predator. Gotta get the low Honda boys some love. Nice little SI right here. Very nice. Follow the fenders with the oven grill. Nice little 370 right here. Oh, that shit right. Overhead. It is Instagram Jackie. I need to get my underglow back. I miss my underglow. You know, you got the Mustang parked right there. You got the yellow Subi. Bro, I think girls drive this joint. I think girls be riding in these. Cause on that side, the Type R, oh shit, flirty. I need to get my windshield tinted. Fuck police. We lined up a little bit. Ain't nothing too crazy. We got the Dusty Boys over here. I know my man Song gonna like this one right here. My man Song. Right next to Big Dre, you know what I'm saying? That's a nice color. I'm not gonna hold. And she got the anime on the side. Oh, okay. She thinks she big tub parking sideways. I fuck with it. You got a clean Civic right here. You know, that's so crazy. Hope I blow up the VQ. Bro, I fuck with this M4, bro. This shit hard as shit. Shit is stupid crazy. I'm so hungry, bro. I might go in that food truck, bro. But look at that line. There's a little line. It looks like it's a one-man army. Little 350. He lost his wing and the rear bumper. He look like he slides at, bro. Man turned the music this way, bro. I called it, bro. It's a drift car, bro. He got Tommy in the back. Alright, bro. Chill out with the music, bro. Be careful, kiddos. He got the gap cam. Oh, he don't got the cam on it. You see the Evo? Nice little Evo. Hey, he got a kid in the back. Where he come up? That little Evo. Wow. That's alright clean. Bro got real life flames in the back. Oh, that joint on fire, literally. To do that, sir. Look at them Mustangs, just sitting there pretty. Lined up, dogs about to fight. 3, 2, 1, fight. Oh, they broke them up. We got low boy. I know my man Josh over that. And then we got my man right here with a perfect looking Supra. Perfect looking Supra. That shit. Sexy. That joint straight. I would take off that rear ducktail, bro. Alright guys, I think that's it for this meet. We're gonna go ahead and dip. You know what I'm saying? I might rev my shit a little bit. And then we out. Let them hear the car, you know what I'm saying? I ain't spend all that bread not to let them hear it. Isn't he? One, two, three. One, two, three. Bro, we ran into a Mustang, we just raced that nigga. Ah, that's crazy. This is all video game. We're in Need for Speed right now. YouTube, bro, that first race, I was in the lowest gear, man. But that second race, bro, I was in that second. And I got a head start on him. I got on that time, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to that, bro. Yo, this is a lit little video right here. I'm not even gonna care to y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't road raced ever in my life like that. These some nice houses, especially that one. That shit crazy. I'm gonna be in there one day. One day. But that bro was on my hip though. And I put it in drag mode. I'm so hungry. Gotta do that every time. Is that a cop? That ain't a cop. What was that? It's fucking truck, bro. I'm active. I'm fucking active, bro. What's up, guys? I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please do not recreate anything in this video. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Everything in this video is fake from a video game, right? Right here we got our Mustang GT. Make sure y'all go ahead and click that like button, click that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? She dirty, I know. She's always dirty. She gets dirty as soon as I clean her. She nasty. I got so much things I want to do to the car. I still gotta get exhaust tips. I do want to drop her as in suspension. But right now, she's already low stock, and the fitment not terrible. You know, it's alright. I got 20mm spacers on her right now. I still need to swap out the taillights. I need to get my front windshield tinted. Yeah, we got some things we gotta do to this car. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. And I want to say I appreciate everybody, all the new subscribers, all the long-term subscribers who seen me from at 100 subscribers, 50 subscribers. Everyone's coming from the shorts. I want to welcome everybody to wrld. This is a different world than the world you are living in, so do not recreate anything. Please be safe on the road. Please drive safely, and if you want to drive fast, go to the track. Okay? I don't want any of y'all get injured. Please be safe. Safety first. and I don't want y'all to go to jail. Bye, y'all. It's been your man Dre, and I catch y'all in the next video. Peace.